I don't do this often. I've done it for some people I watch on YouTube, but listen to this. I think it's the same kind of cough we have. It feels there's a lot of buildup of phlegm, and before I started taking medication, it felt at its zenith, at its worst point. It felt like when I was coughing, my head would hurt, and someone was like punching me right in the diaphragm. No, the right beneath the rib cage, where the lung sits on top of the diaphragm. I think it's called diaphragm, if I'm not mistaken. It hurts so bad. So, I got some rest. Thankfully, I was able to get 3 days of 3 days off. I had Satsang, and then I swapped someone for their Monday before I knew I needed it. So I guess it's kind of like cosmic karma. Somehow you got what I need. I got what I needed before I actually thought I actually needed it. I just thought it'd be a nice rest day to have 3 days off once, except end of the week I just get 1 day off because it's Monday, Sunday, the split part. So Sunday I get a Sunday off. So I'll just maximize that by just playing video games when I get home on Saturday and just sleeping and waking up late. So that's it. But what I'm taking here is I'm actually done with this other medication which the doctor gave me. This is a antitussive, and so is this. But this is a more. This takes a while to release. Sustained release means it's a slow release capsule. I just take this for the fun of it because I remember taking this as a kid. It's Vicks Formula 44 Cough Control. I mean, can't hurt, right? And honestly, this and the fact that I'm drinking a lot more liquids now, and I've had some rest, and the environment isn't so stressful at work. It's really, I mean literally, pools of phlegm the size of small coins are being spewed, especially in the morning or like after lunch. So I hope you're taking medication. I know I am. And did you get sick? I said really feverishly sick because I did. I was so sick. I mean, I had to go to this concert last Saturday which rocked, but it's a gathering of musicians, friends of mine. Anyway, but I couldn't really enjoy myself because I was a little feverish. So just before the end of the session, I had to step out. I had to go home early, and I knew, the best part of going to these concerts is hanging out with them afterwards, chilling out, relaxing, and all that. So, no, this is a pure response from what I think, and I hope we get better. I hope I didn't spread the disease, although I'm pretty sure I'm not spreading disease now anymore. I'm on the point that the disease is on its way out, so to speak. Except there was a time when I was going to work when I was pretty sure I still had it, and I was trying to keep myself safe. Oh, whatever. Get well, and awesome bits, man. Awesome bits.